You get used to the noise. The real challenge is finding your purpose in all this steel. It's more than just a job out here.
Welcome to Wartech Forge. Here, we harness fire and steel to build the future.
Historical refinement is crucial. By analyzing these archival blueprints, we integrate the lessons of the past with the precision of modern machinery. The magnetic particle lines confirm the dye-penetrant indications. We have clear surface imperfections highlighted here.
Surface finishes checked.
Serial numbers confirmed. Documentation completed.